Oh, jeez. They're gonna eat you. They're gonna eat you. Oh, God. Oh, jeez. Throw it by him. Throw it by him. Here. Give him bread. Oh, 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 jeez. That fool's gonna get jumped.
I know. Here, Damien. Ready?
Oh, oh, jeez.
Here. Oh!
That was great. I didn't think I caught that.
Oh man, I have to do it again. I'm scared. Oh my god.
I don't know what they are. I forgot the name of them. They're
Yeah. Ew, they're cute.
This is gonna bother me tonight now. Something, I know it's like oons. Something oons.
Oh, you just throw it on the floor like that? You wanna feed him? Here, Damien. Oh no.
Look, Damien, they're looking at you now.
Yeah.
Damien, look, they're gonna eat you now. More.
Oh, say please.
Well, the ducks don't say please.
Say please.
Oh.
Oh my god. One time I was feeding these and they came up and got it from my hand.
Oh yeah, they. And these are little ones too. The ones out in Cali are huge. The ones in San Francisco, babe. I'm telling you, those things. You guys lost it. Oh well. Feed that one. Feed it. Feed it.
Don't catch it too.
No, these aren't. These aren't too bright. They're waiting.
They're waiting.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh my gosh, these ducks are just so cute. I have no more bread.
They're gonna jump us. Look at them.
Oh, here we go. We got some more bread. Oh, he's just so cute. Oh my god. Here, get it. There, get it.
Oh, you snooze, you lose, buddy.
Oh my gosh, they're fighting. Look. That's scary.
Damien, get over here. Damien.
They're gonna eat you, Damien.
We're like, all right.
How far are they apart? They look like the same apart.
A
They're
year.
13 months. Yeah.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah, he'll turn 2 in a couple of days. And he'll turn 1 on the 4th. Yeah.
Yeah, his birthday's on Wednesday.
Oh, okay.
It'll be exciting.
It's nice.
Oh my gosh,
you play.
Yeah.
Like the last 6 months, I'm like, oh, this is nice.
I know, it's so nice.
Yeah, he caught it. Let's catch another one. Let's catch another one. Look at this
I
one.
know, you're not even.
All right.
Yeah,
Yep.
that was fast. Okay, hold on.
Fool got some food. He's like, I'm out.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks awesome. One more. Let's do
I
it.
don't think I have enough. No more. No, okay.
All right, we got 15 seconds. Let's do it. Yup.
That was
There he goes.
That's as long as you can take a video?
Well, Ultra HD, 5 minutes.
Let me see.